What do I do with this? This looks like I just stuck my hand in like a shit-filled toilet. This is disgusting. Hello there, Internet. So today I'm going to be making cheesecake brownies. This is going to be a disaster. The recipe here, which is probably out of focus, so you won't know what it is anyway. Let's start gathering the stuff. Box Devil's Food Cake Mix. Boom. Next. 100% pure pumpkin. That's gross. Fat-free cream cheese. Do we have cream cheese? I don't think so. Cream cheese. Splenda no-calorie sweetener. Granulated. Boom. Coffee Mate sugar-free French vanilla powdered creamer. Vanilla extract. Probably not in focus. Large mixing bowl. Combine cake mix and pumpkin, stirring until completely blended. Alright, let's do it. That's disgusting. I never want to hear that noise again. It also smells like, not baby food, but like if the baby were to regurgitate its food, that's what it's like. Got it. I should probably be preheating that oven right now. I'm gonna do it. Unnecessary messes, 10 out of 10. Thought I missed it there. And the pumpkin. That's so gross, but let's grab us a spoon too. This one looks nice and hefty. It's literally so nasty. Oh my gosh. Ew, 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 ew.
That's what good pussy sounds like.
If this turns out like my banana bread that I made, which wasn't banana bread to say the least, I'm gonna be disappointed because all these ingredients was like, you know, a lot of money. I hate that noise. That's gross. That reminds me of like Chef Boyardee. That's disgusting. Ew. I need like all of it, otherwise it's probably gonna turn out like shit, and we don't want that. I just got like, it went like a bag of chips, like opening a bag of chips. That was disgusting. Oh, okay. Just, you know, I should be wearing an apron right now, but I don't have one, so. Oh. So after I do this, batter will be very thick. Well, honestly, it's not batter, so let's just hope something happens. Spray a large baking pan about 9 by 13. Why are they making me use pumpkin? This is just supposed to be cheesecake like, that's gross. Maybe the pumpkin's instead of like milk. Because there's no milk involved in this. And I feel like if you're making cake, you need milk. There's still a lot of powder at the bottom, but it's so thick. My arm is tired. I don't want to do it anymore. It is very thick. That smells legit. I shouldn't have done that. I'm not gonna do that again. I just inhaled a lot of butter spray. Not gonna lie though, butter smells really good. So all I have to do is load this concoction of that and Devil's Food Cake Mix into this pan. That's not a batter. Like, that's like defying gravity. Okay, it's like slipping around a lot. That's gross. No, I'm not ready for you yet. Like really thick though. That feels so nice. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. This was a bad idea. I should not have used my hands. Yeah, no, that wasn't smart. I'd be lying if I said I was still very soothed and calm right now. So if anyone says that they bake just to, you know, be calm, they're lying. Because I feel very enraged. What do I do with this? This looks like I just stuck my hand in like a shit-filled toilet. This is disgusting. Okay, what's next? Place powdered creamer in a medium mixing bowl. This is medium. That's always satisfying. This smells so good. Wow, it smells really good. Just one. Oh. That was more than one. It says just to place it in the bowl, so we're just gonna... There you go. Look at that. That just went from a powder, as you once saw, to a liquid. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. What are you getting?
Stuff that I need.
You're gonna be baking too?
No, where's my stuff that was on the counter?
Over here still. It's still over here. We can't have bake section over here. This is my show. Stop trying to steal the show! Here.
Where's my pieces?
There's one. And I hope I cut my throat with this other blade. Ew. Honestly, wait, if you're in the video, I might get more subscribers. Then I can use clickbait and be like, she's in my vlog? What?
I'm not clicking my bait.
Using a whisk, vigorously mix until completely blended. So I'm just gonna vigorously mix this without a whisk because whisks are hella inconvenient and they hurt my hands.
Watch it taste like shit because you're doing it wrong again.
This, shut up! This smells really good because it smells like vanilla. So
I'm making charisse.
no one knows what charisse is. Ew! Don't do that with the sausages until it's lumpy.
I got a nice one.
Stop! I'm trying to make a video! Oh my god!
Where's my meat? Over here.
What is happening? Spoon cheesy mixture over the brownie batter and use a knife to swirl it. They're called Swirls Gone Wild cheesecake brownies. They're supposed to like look all cool with the swirls. I think it's like liquidy enough just to like spoon over. It's not. We need to mix that more. The only questionable part is that there is no milk, no eggs, and it's just like, it's pumpkin in it. And that's like questionable because it doesn't say the word pumpkin anywhere on the page except for the ingredients list. Well, I guess we'll pop this in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Let's wish her luck as she goes in the oven. Here she is. Before she goes in the oven. I did 20 minutes and then we'll check it and then I can put it in for another 5 if I need to. Till then, I will just clean up my mess. See you then.
2 hours later.
Okay, put it for about like 23, 25 minutes. Okay, I'm so proud. I'm excited. Oh my gosh, that is such a clean cut. Look at that. Oh. Alright, let's just keep cutting. I'm too lazy to like get a plate and then wash it. So I'm just gonna use a paper plate. And if it looks too trashy, then get over it. Okay, this is like the real test. This is just because it's fresh, but this slice is falling apart before I can put it on the plate. That's okay though, because it's not about the presentation. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, first bite. Ah. That is really good.
Oh, is this how a presentation is?
It's not about the presentation. Is it good? It's good. Doesn't taste like a cheesecake brownie, but you can't taste the pumpkin, so that's amazing. I'm glad you can't taste the pumpkin because that would have been weird.
Yes! It's a success! Oh my god.
I'll finish eating that off camera, that's okay. Drops it. That was the first installment, and hopefully first of many of, what can I call this? Cooking with Ashley's too overdone. We'll just do Cooking with Ashley, and then if something else comes up, something else comes up. But as of right now, this is the first installment of Cooking with Ashley. I hope you enjoyed. I was definitely stressed out about it at first, but it was fun. I like cooking, I like baking. I just get really stressed when something is gonna turn out wrong because I'm a perfectionist and I want what I put out there to be good, unlike this video. I'll see you guys in another video. I really hope I don't have like chocolate like in the corners of my mouth or something. But yeah, bye guys.
Yeah, you are, but your head's cut off a little bit.
Like how much?
Like, I can see your eyes, and that's it.
Like tilt it up a bit? Would you still be able to see the counter?
I don't know.
Would you? Okay, wet. Okay. This one looks
Nice and hefty.